Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to save pies on Trading 212. Trading 212 Pi is a tool that allows users to create and manage diversified portfolios of stocks and ETFs. To save pies on Trading 212, first open your Trading 212 application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then here you'll be taken to the home page. Now here you can see two people icon near the three lines on down right. Tap on the given icon. Then here you can see your socials. Now tap on pies option on third at the top. With this, now here you can see top pies. You can scroll down and look for the pies that you want to save. Similarly, you can tap on new option near top on the top section. Then here you can see new pies that you can save. Now select any kind of pies that you want by tapping on the given pie. After that, here you can see all the details regarding your pie. To save the pie, now tap on save icon near share icon on the left side. With this, your pie will be saved to your pie library. Now to view your saved pie, go back to your pies option. Then tap on saved option on the top. Then here you can see the pie that I've just saved. This is how we can save pies on Trading 212. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.